This is my television I bought in November 22, 2022. At Western. Its guarantee lapse after a few days. This December 1st, suddenly, while watching cheer dance competition, the screen suddenly went black, but there was sound, continuous and sound. I thought there was something wrong with the antenna, but it continued. It seemed there was something wrong with the television. Wow. And to find out that it was 8 days or 9 days after the warranty lapse. Timing na timing, no? Ginagawa ba nila to? Sinasadya ba to? O coincidence lang? So, I called up their service center, and there was somebody coming in and going to charge me 600 plus just to check this up. I don't know what's wrong with this. I wonder, wait, doesn't last long. My neighbors bought other brands, but it lasted for many years. It's still working. Hey, is there something wrong with this brand? Be careful. I have second thoughts not to buy such a brand again. So be careful again. It's a new brand. Down. Wow. Sayang, no? Nag-lapse 9 days after ng warranty ng 2 years. Wow. Sadya ba to? Sinasadya ba to? Ay, nako. O coincidence lang.